When coming to Jim White Toyota for service, you will turn into the drive between the new car and used car showrooms. As you pull into the garage, your alignment is being checked and you'll be able to see the results on the TV in the upper right-hand corner. A service advisor will be there to greet you and check you in for your reservation with us. The advisor will confirm your contact information as well as the work being done today. When the check-in is completed, the advisor will show you the way to one of our many waiting areas. While waiting for your vehicle, please enjoy our comfy waiting areas, a fresh cup of coffee, tea, hot chocolate or water, free Wi-Fi, and workstations. Remember, if you do not wish to wait for your vehicle, we do have shuttle service available. When your vehicle is finished, the advisor will meet you at the cashier's office to review the work performed and your inspection. At this time, the advisor will assist you with planning your next visit. We can't wait to see you here at Jim White Toyota